All right, let's pick up your big bag.
Let's do it.
So Orlando Harley is actually hooking John up with a bike, so we're up here to talk to them. We're gonna go in here, look at some bikes. We're actually, so you work at a Harley dealership and we bring you to a Harley dealership.
That is how I ended up with a bad boy, though.
Nice.
I just wanted to go to a Harley dealer that I didn't work at. Left with a motorcycle.
Nice.
It can happen to any of us, guys.
All right, let's do it.
Go ahead, sir.
What's up, who's screaming up on me? Hi. Like, this part of me is good. I hate you. Yeah, here.
Man, y'all treating him, damn. Special.
Phone connected.
Oh, damn, boy, you got a big old bike.
Man, it's got something on it, too. I don't know what brand exhaust, but...
Exhaust.
It is stout. Nobody's going to hear anything I'm saying.
Right.
Oh, they got new bikes coming in, too, homie. They got the double-decker coming to Orlando Harley.
That's right. Watch out for the diapers.
Oh, man.
This is real nice.
Yeah, I was used to the Grom.
Yeah, you go from the Grom to that bike, it's a hell of a change.
I'm actually riding about 14 Groms right now.
Yeah. You know, it's simple math.
Yeah, I am pretty much a mathematician.
Math technician.
Yes, I like it. So I haven't ridden behind Eric until right now.
I can hear that you're riding behind him. It's loud.
Yeah. That looks ugly, boys.
That is rain. I don't think we're beating it. Yeah, it's a pretty big jump from Grom to 114 cubic inch Harley V-twin.
Second gear on a Milwaukee 8 always is like, holy smokes.
Yeah.
Man, you've been riding a Grom all day and you hit that second gear, it is like, I am going to die. I am going to fly through the intersection.
It's like warp speed.
There's all the powers.
You see, it's like just right there. You got like blue skies.
Yeah. Hopefully it's missing us. Oh, I'm gonna dry out now.
Hell yeah. Gotta hit that cruise control.
That's true. I forget about cruise control. I'm not used to such fanciness.
Oh yeah, and the Sportsters.
Oh, I'd fall asleep if I use cruise control. This thing is comfy. I'm gonna take a nap. Wake me up when we get there.
Yeah, right. It's a good looking bike, man.
I like it, man. It's definitely a smooth machine for sure.
It's very you. Good job, Orlando Harley, man. You guys pulled through big time.
Absolutely. We just got caught in the rain and all of my wonderfully expensive camera gear is nice and dry.
Exactly. Gotta love those bags, baby.
Yeah, absolutely.
So yeah, big thanks to Orlando Harley for hooking it up with the 2018 Heritage 114 for John Maxwell. You guys should definitely know who Orlando Harley is, but I'm gonna drop their link right here on the screen, as well as in the description down below. If you guys have any questions, I've worked with them a lot. Aaron and Yarek and Steven and they're just everybody at Orlando Harley. Josh is actually here riding with us, so freaking love them, man. They're like family. Anyway, so in continuing with the who is John Maxwell, I think last off we left with the fact that you were, why you started the YouTube channel, and then kind of we talked about whenever you've actually felt like a YouTuber.
Yeah, so basically I actually have one video that did really well up in, for 6 months or so. It was just normal, post this, talk about that, whatever was kind of, there wasn't a lot of engagement on the channel and stuff, and I posted a video I called 5 things you need to tighten on your Harley or something.
Yeah.
And I knew it was getting big when like Harley haters were coming into the comments, you know, and I was like, I didn't really understand at first, you know. I was like, that's weird, you know. None of my other videos have a bunch of like hater comments on them.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's really what started it. You know, lots of subscribers, and you know, everything kind of changed from there.
So you were born from haters.
Seen lots of support, like for the dealership too. That like everybody's really happy with, like the fact that I can do the channel. They understand like how much that means for an owner to like to be okay with me like using the camera during work, showing off the shop, showing new bikes, stuff like that, you know.
Yeah, it's really cool that they you know, give you that, I don't know, that their blessing, I guess you could say, to be able to do some of that stuff, because it's a big foot in.
Yeah, it is really cool. I don't think they were like me. They didn't think it was gonna be much, you know, but they were cool with me just goofing off, because that's kind of what it seems like, you know. Until you see the finished product, it really just looks like I'm like totally goofing off on the camera.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, but you kind of have a vision in your head of what it's going to be. But until you actually get through the editing process, you know, people can't really see it.
That's right. Yeah, it seems like hold the camera and say one line, and then walk somewhere else and say one line, and then, you know, I always know what's happening.
Yeah.
But watching me do it is like, wait, what an idiot.
Yeah.
He doesn't even finish a thought.
Yeah, like I'm really interested to see how you're going to finish a standard video.
Yeah.
But I know you'll come up with something creative where you, over your lunch, and you're like, so I'm back in Chattahoochee.
Yeah. There is. I have, while I'm down here, I plan to get a few more shots that are like totally random that I'm going to use in videos in the future.
You should get some Disney shots, man.
Yeah, so what I have figured out in like a year of doing this is like sometimes I just gotta film stuff, and you know, I'd rather film something and not be able to use it than to wish I had something and I don't, you know. So
yeah, it's better to have too much footage than too little, that's for sure.
Oh, absolutely.
So your YouTube channel is going great, growing very well. For a little while there, I thought you were going to catch up to me.
Yeah, basically what's going to happen is I'm going to buy a Grom, and I'm going to do straight hooligan stuff, and I'm going to come back to passenger again.
That's right.
So that's my business model for the channel right there.
Hey man, I wouldn't fault you. Then we could do Grom days and shit.
Yeah.
You could come down for Grom Days 6.0 or 7.0 next year.
Yeah, that sounds solid.
It's a lot of fun, man. You should come down regardless. We'll sort you out with the Grom.
Yeah, there you go.
So with the success that your channel has seen, you know, you're about a year into it, you said, right?
Yeah.
Where do you see it? Where do you see it kind of going from here? Like, what are your hopes and ambitions for it?
Honestly, I'd like to be able to kind of promote more smaller, not even necessarily smaller things, but more things that go on within the biker community. It's funny, in the very beginning, it was probably my 5th or 6th video when the hurricanes were hitting Texas, and what was it, Hurricane Harvey, I think, and then Irma hit, or like vice versa, you know, like back to back, like the Gulf got hit by hurricanes, and some folks within the dealership raised a bunch of money and water and diapers and just goods to take out there to people that needed help.
Right.
And I was really stoked to like put out this video to like help them get the word out, you know. But I didn't have any followers. Like nobody. It didn't actually help them. You know what I mean?
Right.
So if the same thing were to happen now, I think that I could help them out some.
Yeah, you have an impact, yeah.
So that small business, I'm a big fan of like small local business. That's why I like Standard so much.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we got to go check them out. Like, that's something I'd like to be able to promote and teach people about.
Yeah, it's a cool concept that they got up there, man. It's really cool to be connected with them for sure.
Yeah.
I always love looking in the rearview mirror and seeing all the bikes.
Oh, absolutely.
It's a good feeling. So you're aiming for being able to continue to help people. That's good, man.
It's kind of weird how that works. At this stage, you know, a lot of times doing charity work and raising money for things, it's a lot of hard work.
Oh yeah.
You know, most times, but we're in a unusual position to where we can kind of do what we're doing and push out some information to help spread the word about good causes and stuff.
Right. Yeah, you're an influencer.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So what's something weird that people should know about John Maxwell?
Something weird?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Besides that, you're addicted to your vape.
Yeah. I don't think that's a secret by any means.
Yeah, right.
Or that weird based on a lot of the comments that I get on my channel. That's a common thing.
You got a lot of vape niche.
Yeah. Something weird about me. My favorite music art. No, I can't even do that. I was gonna tell you something like totally ridiculous. Like,
it's got to be honest. It's got to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, you definitely threw me off. That's got to be a good one.
What do you mean? Oh, by that question?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't hold a whole lot back, you know, on my channel.
Yeah.
To a degree. So I'm trying to think of something that, like, I wouldn't have said before that is still weird.
Something that wouldn't normally be brought up on your channel that viewers might find interesting. Maybe it doesn't have to be weird, but I don't know.
Yeah.
What about like a significant life experience?
Significant life experience. Oh, how did I not think about this? How about I'm a high school dropout? The first thing I ever graduated was motorcycle school. I think that's part of why I like hold it to high regard, you know?
Right. MMI?
Yeah, yeah, when I finished MMI, that's the first thing I've ever graduated. Like, I didn't finish senior year of high school. I went to regular college and I didn't like it, so I just quit. So, and for a long time, like being a bartender and making good money, like, it didn't matter, you know, because I was making good money.
Right.
Well, when you start having kids and get married and all those things, well, all those pieces of paper turn out to be pretty important if you're actually going to provide for them.
Right.
So that's a lot of how I ended up at motorcycle school is, you know, it's really important to leave yourself open to options and make it where you have choices. And I had set myself up for that. So it's kind of a crazy couple of years, you know. That's part of the struggle of like being a family man, if that makes sense.
Yeah, so you basically wanted to be able to provide for your family, man. That's good.
Yeah. Unfortunately, 18-year-old me wasn't thinking too much about that.
Yeah, I mean, most of us probably wouldn't be. Usually not thinking about a wife and kids at that point.
Yeah, I was busy running around thinking about practicing making kids.
Practice.
Yeah.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, I'm really good at making kids. That is for sure. So, I don't know if we mentioned that in this video that I have 3 of them. I know you and I have talked about it before, but
right.
Yeah, 7, 4, and 1 that itself is a full-time job. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So you're saying you do most of your editing for your videos like when everybody's asleep, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, lots of late nights. You know, I'll get home from work and usually I'll start transferring footage to the computer because it takes a long time to get everything rendered and all that stuff.
Yeah.
And while that's happening, I'll bathe some kids and eat some dinner and tuck them in, and then it's off to my part-time office job.
Part-time office job.
Yeah.
Motovlog.
Yeah, so when are we going to race these bikes? That's what I want to know.
These two?
Yeah.
I don't know if an 80 roll is quite the time to do it. I'm assuming you've been to like Cocoa Beach and Coconuts and all this shit?
Yeah, I think I have been one time while we were living in Orlando. We came over and hung out at the beach. Matter of fact, this is the way we came. Now that I think about it, it's like the only time. That's what kept me off toll roads the whole time I lived there. We came down here and like did the math. I was like, dude, it costs a lot of money to go to Cocoa Beach.
Yeah. That's a quick trip though.
Yeah, it is.
From Orlando. I mean, it's only, about an hour.
Yeah, I actually went to school with some people that lived in Cocoa Beach. So they would do this trip every day from Cocoa Beach to MMI and back home again, working full-time jobs and stuff.
Damn.
Yeah, 9 Harleys versus the cops.
Yeah. Hold on, I'll get the screenshot.
Oh, show.
Gotta get you in it.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Yes!
I love motovlogging with a fellow YouTuber. Like, you know how to do it. You knew the exact, like... Oh, it's great.
That'll be a good one.
Yeah. It's like, oh, thumbnail opportunity. Here we go.
Yeah.
You know you're a YouTuber when you think in thumbnails.
Oh, absolutely. That is one part that I miss on. Like, I think about it once I've left work, and I'm like, man. But I can usually run through footage in my head, and I remember when I was sitting here and I'm pointing at this, and yeah, that'll work. That's a good one.
Yeah.
So,
which way are we going? Cocoa Beach to the right.
I thought we were going to Cocoa Beach.
Yeah, we are to the right.
Oh, okay. I was talking to you earlier about the M8 versus the 110. You've ridden all of these models.
Right.
So
the M8 is faster.
Is it?
It's faster than mine, yeah. Yeah, so the new Softail Fat Bob 114 faster than this. However, this has more torque. Right? So
yeah.
Off the line it feels faster, but long run the Milwaukee 8 beats it.
Sure. So what about ride quality? What do you think? Like the smoothness and...
I think they have really good ride quality. Like I mean, I haven't ridden long distance on one of them. Obviously, you're getting that experience right now.
Yeah.
Crisp high five.
Yeah, a lot of cars.
All right, let's check this place out.
Come on in, man. Welcome to the sandbar. I love this place if you've never been here.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
Dang, look at this motorcycle.
There is a motorcycle. Hey!
Damn, son.
There's 6 shots in that.
There's what?
There's 6 shots in that.
I don't believe that one bit.
Oh, feels awesome. John Maxwell, thanks for coming, bro.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for doing a Who You Is.
Who I is.
Who is you? If you guys want to check out John Maxwell Legacy, you should totally know who he is, but links in the description down below. Any final words, sir?
I'm not a cute model. How do I look?
Oh, yeah. All right, later, bro.
Later, man.